Spring cleaning season is here. This is a great time of year to reorganize your kitchen space, starting with your spices. First, clean out the space and purge expired spices. Smell the spices for freshness. Expired spices will have a dull smell. Use a Lazy Susan or a spice rack to neatly display your spices. Organize the space to maximize the use of all of your spices. Place the spices that you use the most, like garlic and onion powder, front and center. Organize spices in alphabetical order so it's easy to pull what you need without having to search for it. Contain your baking spices in a separate container so they don't get lost in the mix. Be sure to test and try lesser used spices to freshen up your everyday meals. Some may even become your new favorites. Organized spices ensures a stress-free cooking experience for meals with maximum flavor.